Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO K14x 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgotten their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. You can see incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. And when the OPPO logo appears, after a few seconds, release it. So you can see now select language, and you can see recovery, format data, reboot device and power off is available. Go to format data. So you can see please enter verification code. It is a 7727 in the swan. So enter it 7727. So you can see on bottom format data, all user data will be reset. So now tap on format. So as you can see wiping, please wait. Okay, now you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set might again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set OPPO K14x 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.